Welcome to this tutorial on using the Uniswap Universal Router. The Uniswap Universal Router is a major upgrade to the Uniswap protocol that allows for more efficient and flexible transactions across different blockchain networks. To get started, you need to have a digital wallet that is compatible with the Ethereum blockchain, such as MetaMask. Ensure that your wallet is funded with some Ethereum to cover transaction fees. First, navigate to the Uniswap website and click on the Launch App button. Then, connect your digital wallet to the Uniswap platform by following the prompts. Once your wallet is connected, you can begin using the Universal Router. The router allows you to bridge assets between different networks, swap tokens, and even perform more complex transactions like batch swaps. To bridge assets, select the token you want to bridge in the destination network. The Universal Router will then provide you with a quote for the transaction, including any fees. When swapping tokens, you can choose from a wide range of assets and networks. Simply select the token you want to swap, the token you want to receive, and the network you want to use. Best practices for using the Uniswap Universal Router include setting a slippage tolerance to protect yourself from large price movements, using a reasonable gas price to ensure your transaction is processed quickly, and monitoring your transactions to ensure they are successful. The Uniswap Universal Router is a powerful tool that can help you navigate the complex world of decentralized finance. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and efficiently use the Universal Router to achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, the Uniswap Universal Router is a game-changing upgrade to the Uniswap protocol that provides more flexibility and efficiency for users. By understanding how to use the Universal Router, you can take advantage of its many features and benefits to improve your overall experience in the world of decentralized finance.